The following 3 exercises will save your knees, especially if one of them is much stronger than the other one. Go ahead and stay until the end of the video because your knees will greatly thank you. So one of my senior clients I recently worked with told me that they struggle going up curbs, bending down, kind of in a kneeling lunge position. And these 3 exercises I showed him will allow him to greatly improve these capacities of his life. And I know that some of you who are watching might be dealing with the exact same thing. All you're going to need is a chair, a pillow, and a 2x4 or a book, or even stairs. That'll work as well. The first exercise is an ATG Split Squat. This will involve you bringing one foot up on to the chair, and then you're simply going to push your knee forward, allowing that back leg to stay nice and straight. And we're trying to get some good compression through this knee joint. So a nice full range of motion, and having it elevated up in the air makes it a lot more lower impact than if I did the same movement on the ground, okay? So especially if you have really weak knees. For all of these, I would recommend, of course, doing them on both legs. That exercise is gonna be 3 sets of 10. Really just go as far as you can, getting good compression without pain. If that is painful, raise it up a little bit, so get a higher chair or boost it up a little bit, but that's the first one. 3 sets of 10 on both legs for that one. The next one is gonna involve a pillow, and this is going to be a split squat, an elevated split squat with your leg. Essentially with this one, we are trying to strengthen our ability to kneel down on the ground. So kneeling usually causes a lot of pain for individuals. So what you're gonna do is take a big step over that pillow, and then we're going to do that kneeling position, but with that elevation. So the elevation makes it so your knee doesn't go down quite as low, of course. So that allows the individual to still boost their leg strength, of course, doing it on both sides in that position, but kind of an elevated one. Ideally with all these, we're trying to maybe get rid of it over time. A pillow is great. If you have something firmer, that might work a little bit better too. But you can boost it up, maybe have 2 pillows. I only have 1 right now, so that's kind of a lower progression, but go up as high as you need and then slowly lower down over time. The last one is going to be with a 2x4, and this is going to help individuals who struggle to get up curbs or stairs or anything uneven where they're stepping up onto something, right? And essentially this exercise is just a mini step down where you gently bend that knee on the board and then you tap your heel on the ground, and you're literally just going to crank out as many as you can do. Obviously, the higher that you go on this one, the tougher it's gonna be. So if you're on a stair step, you might only be able to do maybe 20 repetitions. This one's really low, and this would actually be a really good place for a lot of individuals with very, very chronic knee pain to start. Bending and straightening, bending and straightening. You could do maybe 50 repetitions on that one. The first one, we'll go over these as a recap. Gonna be that ATG split squat, going for that leg compression. So this one, we're trying to get as much full range of motion as possible, right? That's 3 sets of 10 on both legs. This one, elevated split squat, same concept, 3 sets of 10, helping you for that kneeling position. This last one's basically gonna be 3 sets to failure, as many as you can muster on both legs. Greatly will help you improve your overall leg strength, especially if it's unilateral knee pain. So go ahead, comment down below, let me know which exercise you are going to try out. Maybe it's all of them, maybe it's just one of them. I'd love to know. And once you're done doing that, go ahead and check out this video right here that's going to talk to you all about what nobody tells you about doing squats. So a lot of people like this video. Go ahead and check it out, and we will see you next time.
Tell me you know